Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 Error CE-10005-6. This error usually points to a problem with reading disk-based content or corrupted installed game data, preventing your games from launching correctly. First, power down your PlayStation 5 completely and unplug it from the wall socket for at least 1 full minute. Reconnect all cables securely, ensuring they are firm, before powering your console back on to clear any temporary glitches. Next, we will try rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database, a common solution for many system errors. Power off your console completely, then press and hold the power button for approximately 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This puts your console into safe mode. Connect your DualSense controller via a USB cable, select option number 5, Rebuild Database, and let the system optimize your storage, which should take a few minutes. Outdated system software can often be the root cause of unexpected errors like this one. It is essential to keep your PlayStation 5's operating system current. Go to the main settings menu, scroll down, and select System. From there, choose System Software, and then System Software Update and Settings. Check for any available updates and install them immediately, as this process often patches critical issues and improves overall stability. If the error persists, the issue might be with the game data itself, whether physical or digital. For disk games, carefully inspect the disk surface for any visible scratches, smudges, or dirt, and gently clean it with a soft cloth. For digital titles, head to your console settings, then Users and Accounts, and select Other to find the Restore Licenses option. This revalidates your digital content, which can often resolve access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.